Installing Open CAD Studio, which is a free open source DWG editor, is pretty easy. You just go to the product page, which is linked in the description below. Here you will scroll down to the bottom where you have got the Windows installer, Mac OS installer or Linux. So it's available on all platforms. I will download the Windows installer and I will open it straight from the once it's downloaded. So the download goes pretty fast because the application is not that big. And after it is downloaded, it runs straight away the installer. So here I will click next. I will accept the license agreement after I read it through. Then I will click next, next, and install. Now I will confirm it's a verified publisher, so I will confirm the installation. Now I will launch Open CAD Studio straight away after I finish the installation process. So now the application is installed and I can start creating my DWG drawings straight away with no license, no login, just download, install, and create DWG files. So again, the link to the Open CAD Studio product page is in the description box below. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next one.